Today I'm drawing a really creepy spider-eyed alien. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So it's called the Charlie Doodle experiment because these are doodles. So I open up my tablet, pull out the airbrush tool, and just throw something down really quick, and then go over it with the tapered inker that's in Infinite Painter. And so with this one, you can see there's a lot of different things going on. I've got the space alien brain and the ears and kind of these ghoulish fang vampire teeth. But with this one, guess what? Spider eyes. So I drew the really, really dark black soulless eyes that are in that you see in spiders. But the funny part is they started off really kind of creepy looking, but then I added the kind of gloss or the reflection of light in them, and it looked less creepy. It looked a little more friendly. And you'll see as I kept adding to it, it takes away from the scariness. It becomes kind of friendly. Anyway, threw down some watercolor yellow, my purples. I felt this one deserved purple. Highlights where the highlights go, shading where the shading goes, and yellow fangs. There's those last of the highlights. So yeah, look, it turned around. It doesn't look all that scary anymore, in a way. But threw on a green background with some green spots, and there you go. Really creepy spider-eyed alien. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you around. Thanks.